This tutorial review will show you how to customize Control Center on iPhone iOS 17 or newer version. To customize the Control Center, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Control Center. And customizing Control Center on iOS 17 and older version is same process. So here you can easily add any app to your Control Center by tapping on this plus icon next to the app that you want to add. And to remove any app from included controls, tap on this minus icon, tap on remove. And to change any app or shortcut position, you can tap and drag these three lines to change the position. So this is how we can customize Control Center on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.